Hello everyone, this is Sharanjit Kaur. Today we are excited to share our journey and key takeaways from the operation management simulation game. This experience allowed us to engage in real world scenarios and apply operations management principles to solve complex challenges. Through this simulation, we worked as a team to make strategic decisions, optimize resources, and balance competing priorities. The game provided us with valuable insights that we are eager to present to you today. So let's start. The next slide is about the introduction. Operation Management Simulation game was an immersive experience where we navigated through five distinct modules, each with its unique challenges. These modules tested our ability to manage production processes, choose suppliers, forecast demand, plan workforce capacity, and expand our business branch. We approach the simulation as a learning opportunity, focusing not just on achieving the goals, but also on reflecting on our decisions and understanding their broader implications. The objective was to simulate real world decisions making scenarios and relate them to the theoretical concepts we have studied. Today, we will walk you through our decisions, strategies, and reflections for each module and conclude with the lessons we learned from the simulations. So, next slide is about the module 1, the production process. In module 1, we were tasked with managing a production floor where we faced several challenges. Production bottlenecks emerged due to high machine utilization and the incoming orders had varying deadlines and quantities. This required us to make quick and strategic decisions to ensure the smooth functioning of the production line. The production process is also discussing about some decisions. One of our first decision was to prioritize high value urgent orders to maximize revenue while maintaining customer satisfaction. To address bottlenecks, we analyzed the utilization rates of each machine and redistributed tasks to underutilized machines. This not only reduced idle time but also allowed us to handle more orders simultaneously. Additionally, we optimized workflows by sequencing tasks efficiently to ensure materials moved through the production line without delays. For example, if a specific machine was overwhelmed, we either rescheduled the production and also we used other machine for the same process. This module taught us the importance of resource allocation and workflow optimization in managing production. Bottlenecks are inevitable in real world scenarios, but with the proper planning and flexibility, they can be managed effectively. The next slide is about Module 2 Managing Suppliers. Module 2 brought us into the realm of supplier management. The goal was to procure materials for upcoming problems, orders, while balancing cost, quality, and delivery timelines. This required us to evaluate multiple suppliers and make trade offs between their offerings. We had two key options. First one, a supplier offering lower costs but longer lead times, and another one is with more reliable delivery but higher prices. After careful considerations, we choose a reliable supplier, understanding that on time delivery was critical to meeting our production schedules and maintaining customer satisfaction. While the decision increased our initial cost, it minimized the real costs and risk of production delays and customer dissatisfaction also. This trade off highlighted a value lesson. Sometimes investing in our reliability and quality outweigh the benefit of the cost saving. Uh, Through this module, we learned that effective suppliers management requires a strategic approach. It's not just about the cost, it's about aligning supplier capability with operational needs to ensure smooth process and customer satisfaction. Now, moving toward the next slide, it's about the module 3 forecasting and contracts. Forecasting and contract management were the focus of module 3. Here we had to evaluate potential contracts and decide which one to bid on. The challenge was balancing our current production capacity with the opportunity to pursue future growth. To guide our decisions, we relied on the market research data. This data provided insights into high demand products, allowing us to align our strategy with market trends. For example, we noticed an increasing demand for a specific product category. And this will also uh, consider the workload of our production resources. While some contracts offer attractive profit margins, they would have overburdened our facilities, potentially delaying other orders. We avoided these to maintain our realm for on time delivery. This module highlighted the importance of aligning operational capacity with market opportunities. Forecasting is not just about the predicting demand. It's about using data to make informed decisions that balance immediate profitability with the long-term strategic growth. Now, my friend Shweta will continue with the next slide. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I am Shweta Kalyan and I will be focusing on module number 4, slide number 6, which is capacity planning. Well, module 4 shifted the focus to human resources and capacity planning. As demand increased, our workforce was stretched thin, with some departments experiencing overwork while others had idle periods. This imbalance called for strategic workforce management. We began by investing in cross training for existing staff. By enabling employees to handle multiple roles, we improved flexibility and reduced idle time in underutilized departments. For example, staff trained in multiple areas could shift between tasks as demand fluctuated. In addition to training, we strategically hired new employees for critical roles where capacity constraints most evident. However, we also were careful not to overhire to avoid increasing cost unnecessarily. Balancing the cost of training and hiring with the benefits of increased capacity was a key consideration. Well, this module taught us the value of workforce flexibility. In real world operations, having a versatile workforce can help a business adapt to changing demanding while keeping costs under control. It also reinforced the importance of balancing workload distribution to maintain employee morale and productivity. Moving toward to the slide number 7, it indicates the module 5. The new branch. The final module was about managing a new branch with the goal of growing of its net worth, which is $50,000. This presented unique challenges, including limited production capacity, budget constraints, and the need to maintain profitability. To achieve these goals, we focused on strategic resource allocation. One of our first investment was upgrading equipment to improve production efficiency. By reducing production time and increasing capacity, we were able to take on more contracts and meet demands effectively. Simultaneously, we focused on acquiring high margin contracts that would provide significant returns. However, we were mindful of our budget and prioritized investments with the highest impact on profitability. For example, instead of expanding too quickly, we made calculated decisions to ensure the steady growth. Also, this module reinforced the importance of balancing capacity expansion with the discipline. Business growth is not just about taking on more, but it is about making targeted investments that align with long term goals. Along with this, we will move to the slide number 8, and this is showing us the lessons which we have learned. Throughout the simulations, we gained a deeper understanding of operations management principles. One of the key lessons was the importance of balancing resources and capacity. Whether it's managing machines, suppliers, or employees, effective resource allocation is critical for meeting demand. We also learned the value of data driven decision making, market research, forecasting, and many more things. Well, the supplier evaluations played a central role in our strategies, which enabling us to align operations with business goals. Finally, the simulation highlighted the interconnectedness of decisions. For example, a choice in supplier management impacts production schedules, which in turn affects workforce planning and profitability. This holistic perspective is essential for managing real world operations. Along with this, these are the challenges which are faced by us. While the simulation was rewarding, it was not without challenges. Managing bottlenecks required constant adjustments to schedules and priorities. Suppliers' trade offs, such as balancing cost and reliability, tested our ability to make strategic decisions. Another challenge was balancing short term goals, such as profitability, and with long term growth opportunities. For example, while some contracts seemed lucrative, they risked overload of our sources, which could harm our reputation. These challenges taught us valuable problem solving skills and underscored the importance of adaptability in operations management. And here is the last slide includes conclusion. In conclusion, the operations management simulation game provided us with the practical insights into managing real world operational challenges. It strengthened our ability to make strategic decisions, optimistic resources, and adapt to changing circumstances. This experience has not only deepened our understanding of operations management, but also equipped us with skills that are directly applicable in professional settings. We now have a greater appreciation for the complexity of operational decisions and their impact on business success. Thank you for your time and attention. This was all by us. We hope this presentation provided valuable insights into our experience with the simulation and the lessons which we have learned. Thank you. Have a good day.